guys, this is Anjali and welcome back to my channel. तो आज मैं आपके साथ रिव्यू शेयर करूंगी प्रोडक्ट्स का जो कि है फ्रॉम ब्रांड दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एज वाओ. अर्लियर ऑल्सो आई हैव शेयर्ड माई ऑनेस्ट रिव्यूज ऑन प्रोडक्ट्स फ्रॉम वाओ brand, and I absolutely loved the products that I got earlier as well as the products that I have got recently. I'm using them, and after only I'm sharing my honest reviews with my subscribers. So let's get started with the video. And today I'm without any makeup because I wanted to keep it as natural as possible because it is a complete skincare routine video. So no makeup, no lipstick, and yeah. So let's get started with the video, and I'm going to share the products one by one and also will let you know about them, how to use them, and everything in this video. Also, if you're liking my videos, do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so the first product is a Wow Aloe Vera Foaming Face Wash, which actually helps in cleansing your skin gently, hydrates, and also improves skin visibly. So basically, I always wanted to have a face wash like this since a long time, which has this sponge attached on top of it because it actually helps in cleansing the skin naturally and it leaves your skin really soft. And one thing that I really like about the products from Wow is that these products are absolutely without any kind of fragrances and without any colors. These are completely sulfate free and 100% vegan, and also these products are not tested on animals at all. So these products are actually natural. So that's the reason why I actually choose Wow every time whenever I go for skincare purchases. So yes, that's what I like about it. And also all these products are dermatologically tested. So let me show you how this face wash actually looks. So this is the face wash. This is the cute bottle and it has the sponge on top of it. तो ये आपको इस तरीके से open करना होगा like this, and you can carry this with you anywhere in your bag, and it's really easy to cleanse your skin with this. It's really soft. The bristles are really soft. They are not at all harsh on your skin. So I'm using this on daily basis, and it's really nice and working really nice for my skin. And the second one is from Wow, that is lavender and rose skin mist toner. So this is the box that I received, and it actually helps in balancing the skin, hydrating the skin, protecting and refreshing the skin as well. Again, all the products are completely sulfate free, paraben free. They are free from any kind of chemicals. They are completely natural and 100% vegan. So this is something that really helps me in treating my skin really well. Now let me tell you a few benefits of a skin toner. Now people like me who have a very oily skin, whenever I apply makeup, it actually melts down. So any girl who faces problem like this, like makeup melts down, you can actually use toner before applying your makeup base, because slowly and gradually it will help you in solving this skin problem. Next is, if in case you feel any skin red burning or any burning sensation on your skin whenever you come to sun exposure, you can definitely use this. You can keep it in your bag, you can use it anywhere. So toner is something which really gives us that refreshing kind of a feeling, especially in summers. I love using toners. So yes, this is one thing that I really love, and also it helps in minimizing the pores of your skin and also improves the quality of your skin as well. Let me just show you how this product actually looks. So this is the toner. You just have to simply open this and use it like a spray. So yes, that's what I really like about it, and it actually doesn't lead to any kind of product wastage also, like when it has a spray attached to it on top of it. And the third product is again from Wow, which is an oil-free blemish care serum, which helps in treating acne and pore minimizing and also reducing spots that we have on your skin. There's a cute little bottle inside this serum. So I really love the packaging of all the products, and all the products come in a cardboard packaging. So this is the serum. This is the cute little bottle, and yes, it is a glass bottle actually, so you have to handle it with care. So how does this serum actually helps is, and one more thing, if you have an oily skin, let me tell you, when it says that it is oil free, it is actually oil free. So when I apply on my skin, you will actually not feel like you have applied any serum on your face. It gets absorbed so easily in your skin, you can't even imagine. So it actually helps you in clearing up acne and also minimizing the pores, and also it soothes the acne scars, and also it clears the skin tone and refines your skin texture. एंड जिनकी स्किन पे बहुत ज़्यादा ऑयल आता है, सो उसके लिए ये बहुत अच्छा ट्रीटमेंट है, बिकॉज स्लोली जब आप इसको अपने स्किन के रूटीन में डाल दोगे तो धीरे धीरे आपका जो स्किन जो ऑयल प्रोड्यूस करती है, इट विल एक्चुअली हेल्प इन कंट्रोलिंग दैट ऑयल लेवल एज वेल. लास्ट एंड द फोर्थ प्रोडक्ट इज अगेन एलोवेरा मल्टीविटामिन फेस क्रीम. So this is the cardboard box, and it has aloe vera extract, vitamin A, B3, B5, C, and E. It helps in soothing, toning, and reviving the skin. So I absolutely love this moisturizer. Again, people who have oily skin like me, you're gonna love this because it gets absorbed so easily in your skin. You can't even imagine. It's such a beautiful product. So yeah, this is the product. This is the cute little tiny kind of a box. You can see a little bottle of moisturizer, and it's really luxurious. I feel it has a very luxurious packaging. And also one more important thing, you can, if you want, you can completely open the product like this and take the product out, or otherwise you can simply you can see that there is a hole over here. So if you want, you can simply press this like this and the product is going to come out. So this will actually not lead to any kind of product wastage as well. And yes, this is completely hygienic also. So this was my short little review on all these products and from Wow, and I hope you love this video. These products are absolutely amazing. अगर आप इनको purchase करना चाहते हो, I will mention the link down below in the description box. If you want, you can click and go for the purchase. And I hope you really like this. And also, do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, that is Makeup with Anjali. Also, I have my Instagram page where I continuously post short videos about makeup and skincare routine, lifestyle, and all that stuff. So do follow my Instagram page. The link is mentioned down below in the description box. So that's it about this video. I'm gonna see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.